replace the car handle door of a 1998 Toyota Sienna, and you need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket head. First, you're gonna want to pull out this cup handle to get this screw right here. So you're gonna just want to pull it really hard. Okay, these push into the top, and then you push it back into the bottom. So after we do that, then there's a small screw right here that you have to get to. So you want to get a flashlight and then unscrew that. So after removing the screw, so after you take out the screw, you have to pull out the door. Go. Okay, after you take off the wall, you can move that out of the way, and you'll just peel away this protective layer. Very sticky. So there's two bolts. There's one right here, and there's one over here. So so you wanna unscrew this, but you wanna make sure after it's loose enough to unscrew it with your hands, so that it doesn't fall down here. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side with the bolt. Feels like it's loose. So we're just gonna unscrew the rest. So now that we got both of the cables loose, there's this cable here, so we lift this up to get it out from under. So now let's do that right here, and then we have to go outside. So now it's just this connected to this, so that you just pop it out from under, and now you have to reverse it. So now you get the cable from the red and your replacement. And you're supposed to, when you take the cable and this like camera looking thing, and put it through the bottom of this, so it's showing at the top. And then you push this through the bottom of this where it was before, so it's locked in like that. And then you put it back in, and you put back in the bolts. And now you want to put the bolts back in where they were before, right there and then there. So you're going to take the bolts that you had from before and put it back up there. After you're done putting both bolts back on, we are going to take the wrench and tighten it on both sides. Now we're going to make sure that the handle is firm in place. And it seems like both sides are quite tight, and it won't be able to fall off. Now we're going to go back inside and put it all back together. So now we're inside and putting the wall back in the car. And now we're going to put the screw back in here. And then we're going to use a screwdriver to put it all the way back in. You could use a screwdriver or a drill to put it back into the car door. After all that, then you put the cup holder back in first in the top and then in the bottom. And that's it. Now we're gonna close the door and make sure that this works. Seems to work perfectly. Now that's how you replace a 1998 Toyota Sienna handle. And you could also use this video to replace a Toyota Sienna from 1998 to 2003. Thank you.